How to share Instagram stories. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can share Instagram stories. So sharing Instagram stories can be done in a few different ways, and the major way that I'll be showing you here is how you can share Instagram stories to your friends list and all of that. And how do you do so? First step, logging into your Instagram account and then add to your story. So after adding to your story, go to the top left corner and click on your story. And so by the bottom part of the screen, you'll see some icons like create, share to, highlight, more. So just click on share to, and then the page would load, and you'll be asked to select where you want to share it to. All right, you can see that under Instagram you can see the option on the right top, chats. Okay, so you can decide to copy the link and then send it to your friends and all of that, or you can just decide to share the story to the different applications that has been displayed. And if you still want to send it as a direct message, just click on Instagram chat, and then your chat will be displayed. So select the person that you want to send it to, and then just like that your story would be shared. So this is how you can share Instagram stories. Thank you for watching and have a good day.